Yo, so you're finally headed off to college for the first time, and that could be a little bit overwhelming, right? Like, what do you bring with you? What can't you bring with you? How do you get all your stuff there? Don't even sweat it, I got you guys. My name's Don, and I'm gonna share with you guys some tips on what to pack for your freshman year of college. Before we even get started, be sure to subscribe to us and turn on notifications. Alright, so we have a very extensive list on everything that you'll need over on getschool.com. Be sure to hit the link in the description down below and download it for yourself. In college, your bed will probably be a size twin XL. And while that's not very big, make sure that when you buy new bed sheets and new comforters, that they fit this twin XL size. While you're at it, make sure to buy some fresh pillows, some new pillowcases, and maybe even a foam mattress pad, because some of those beds at colleges are really hard. The dorm room. You can make your room whatever you want, and depending on how many roommates you have and what their interests are, you guys could maybe coordinate together and create a central theme. You want to grab new things such as lamps, new lighting, fans, hangers, air freshener, trash bins, whatever else you can think of to try to liven up your place and truly make it yours. So, what is that one thing that you're going to bring with you to college to truly make your dorm room feel comfortable and at home? Leave your comments down below and let me know. Laundry, bathroom, and toiletries. Make sure that you have all the essentials you need for laundry, bathroom, and toiletries. Make sure to grab yourself a laundry hamper, some laundry detergent, a shower caddy, and maybe even some shower shoes. I highly recommend trying to find a pair of flip-flops that you can use in the shower, and maybe even grab a bathrobe and towels. Oh yeah, don't forget to bring some shampoo and conditioner. Be sure to also bring your toothbrush, some toothpaste, floss, and any other oral hygiene needs that you have to bring. School supplies. Look, you're in college now and you're on your own. You're not gonna get a school shopping list like you did back in elementary school and maybe some of high school. So I say start with the basics. Grab yourself a notebook, some pens, some pencils, some note cards, highlighters, and maybe even a planner. Grab anything that's essential for you to take and write notes effectively. Tech and appliances. For tech, we recommend bringing a laptop with a case, some headphones, a portable speaker, and maybe even a mini fridge. You'll need to check to see if there are any restrictions on items that you can bring to your campus. My advice for some of you guys looking for laptops for college is to not immediately think about the newest and most powerful laptops, right? Save yourself some money and buy one of those mid-tier laptops, especially if all you're doing is taking notes, writing papers, surfing the web, and watching Netflix. You're not gonna need one of those high-tier, powerful laptops for that. Happy packing to all of you, and best of luck in college. As always, if you guys want more details and a full-blown list of what you may need to bring to college, make sure to check out getschool.com. For more, be sure to text hello to 335577. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to us.